Sweet dreams are made of these. Essential oil blend to help you sleep.
Hey Katie, my son is super restless at night. Do you have any cool fun recipes for his bath to help him sleep?
I do, our Sweet Dreams bath recipe. It's super easy and it features our new Sweet Dreams essential oil blend that's full of kid-friendly oils to help your child sleep at night.
Awesome, can you show me how to make it?
Sure. So what you need is a cup of Epsom salt, a tablespoon of fractionated coconut oil or other carrier oil, and 3 drops of our new Sweet Dreams blend. To start, you can add the essential oils to the fractionated coconut oil to dilute it to make it safe on your child's skin. Once you have those oils in there, you'll want to stir them to combine. And once that's mixed, you can add it to your salts and you'll want to stir it until it's evenly distributed throughout the salts. It's made up of really relaxing oils that will help calm your child and ready them for bedtime. So once it's all mixed up, you'll want to seal it in a sealable container to help it last longer. And you can add about a 1/4 cup to your bath. It's safe to add the whole thing, but you can save it up by using a 1/4 cup at a time.
So I'll get a whole week of quietness.
So if you're interested in trying this recipe, subscribe to our monthly recipe box where you get 4 full-size essential oils, including this month our Sweet Dreams blend, 6 different recipes, plus labels.
Plus, you get a bonus box when you subscribe today. The bonus box has everything you're gonna need for the next 6 months worth of recipes that will be coming your way.
Other fun recipes that are in this box include slime, bubbles, or an all-natural stress ball. Your kids are gonna love it. So subscribe today and go and make your home more natural.